To make the belt, you'll need a strip of cloth of any width and length. You fold it lengthwise, pin it together and stitch. You also stitch the edges at both sides. Then you cut it in two. You turn it out and iron. Next, you will need some white elastic of any color, width and length. You fold the edges inside, put the elastic into the strip and stitch it. You stitch the other side just the same way. Your belt is ready. Here you can see a wide belt which is sewn to the elastic with a fold. This belt is very comfortable. It outlines the waist and doesn't hamper your movements at all.